We started, especially from the digital design perspective, looking from the inside out. And not just inside the car, but inside the passenger, inside the driver, and even inside how they feel.
We were eager to really push the limits to set a new benchmark for graphical user interfaces. Artful, unexpected, but pixel perfect at the same time. The whole car should be some kind of a companion to you.
So in order to fulfill a nice experience, you need something to bridge the gap between the digital and the analog world.
And I'm really happy that we're bold enough to really focus on being minimal and clean and create a beautiful design language. How does a human interact in the car, and how do they communicate on an emotional level? We did realize that the intelligent personal assistant does need a character. Inspired by the contemporary cue of the new James Bond movies.
The modern Sherlock Holmes.
Really brilliant and smart and intellectual.
Always with a clever solution.
But with a smirk.
No, it's not about learning. You're absolutely right. It's about exploring. It's about being surprised, pleasantly surprised. It's about, hey, what a cool feature. I'd like to try more.